Okay, continuing on with these carrots here, multicolored carrots. I'll be cooking these babies French style today, giving you a few more tips along the way. So they're mixed together. I've got a steamer basket. They go right there like this. And then, of course, oh yeah, these are beautiful. Once again, a little close-up for you, all the colors. Okay. Nice. Okay, so now these babies are going to get steamed and then they're going to get sauteed with clarified butter. So steamer, into the pot they go. Be back in a few minutes. Ah, look at the color I've got going on there. Beautiful. Wow, really, really nice. So at this point, French style, these babies go into an ice water bath. Okay? Ice water bath like this. Carrots go in. Now you're cooking. Yeah, follow along. Then we let the carrots air dry. Clarified butter in a saucepan, touch of garlic, white pepper, just a touch. Quick tasting here. I'll grab a small one like this. Wow. Okay, putting the plate together here. I've got a baked potato. I've got a little bit of fresh asparagus. Please leave a comment. Tell me how this plate looks, what you think of it. Sauteed chicken breast with the mushrooms. Oh yeah. As well as some of these amazing multicolored carrots. That's it. That's the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. The garnish. Keep cooking and have a great day. Purple carrot, red carrot, yellow carrot, white carrot, orange carrot. If you need either of these, just check out your sponsor. They're having a sale. They give you free shipping. There's bonus gifts. There's all kinds of stuff there. So you'll be wise to shop there and check out the next few videos. You'll see these knives rocking and chopping in action. By the way, they're both razor sharp. A quick comparison on the sharpness here. Got some regular paper, but let's go a little further and fold it in half. So double paper, a little bit further, 4 layers of paper here, okay? So I'll show you the turbo. All right. Can your knife do this? Don't forget the sponsor. end grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.